How to draw the big red panda from turning red, step by step. Hey, what's going on everybody? So for the first step of today's turning red drawing lesson, we're going to begin by drawing a small oval-like shape in the center of our page for the nose. On the bottom of this oval shape that we just drew, we're going to draw two small black circles for the nostrils. That's a great start. Next, we're going to draw a small line going up and down in between these two nostrils and right above. And if you're new to the channel, then I just want to say really quick, welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload here every single day, so if you're looking for a new place to watch step-by-step drawing tutorials, then you're in the right spot. Then right here underneath of the center of the nose, we're going to draw a small line going down, and then we'll draw a huge outline around everything that we just drew to help make the snout of May, the big red panda. And if you're looking to watch more Turning Red drawing tutorials, then I highly recommend that you consider checking out our Turning Red drawing tutorial playlist. Now connected to the snout and nose, but underneath, we're going to begin to draw a huge outline of the mouth that looks similar to a big oval-like shape, but it will be slightly disformed. Nice! I'm really happy with how the outline of my mouth came out. Now we're going to begin to draw the teeth. We're going to begin by drawing the top row of the teeth on the inside of the mouth. We'll draw smaller teeth in the center with two larger teeth on the outside of the middle teeth. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this video a big like so other YouTube artists and fans of Turning Red can also see our step-by-step drawing tutorial. So far we're making great progress. Now let's go down to the bottom portion of the mouth where we're going to begin to draw the exact same amount of teeth that we just drew on the top. And at the very end of today's video I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in so you can pause the video, match your colors if you'd like to. Now it's really important to remember that when we draw the bottom teeth, we want to make almost everything the same size as the top row of teeth. Nicely done. Now if you're all set with that step, let's go ahead and move on to the next. Now we're going to move above the nose and everything that we just drew, and we're going to begin to draw two big circles for the eyes. Now in the center of the circles that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the pupil along with the iris. So first draw a small circle with a bigger circle connected to it. Now in the center of that smaller circle, we're going to draw a very small black circle that will help make the pupil. In the center of this, we're going to leave a small white dot. Now once we're all complete with that step, let's do the exact same thing in the right eye. Also, today's drawing will take up almost the entire page, so if you're wondering why the face is so large, then that's why. For the next step of today's drawing, we're going to go right above the eyes that we just drew together, and we're going to begin to draw the eyebrows. The first eyebrow that we draw will be on the right hand side, and they'll both be fairly large. Nice! Now let's move a little bit over to the left and do the exact same thing. So in today's drawing, it will appear as if the paws are on the big red panda's face. So for the next step, we're going to begin to draw the paws, beginning on the right hand side. Now let's move over to the left hand side of the page and draw the second paw. Now for this step, we're going to begin to draw an outline around the face. We're going to begin by drawing a long, jagged, curved line that will connect between both of the paws to make the bottom outline of the face. To make the top outline of the face, we're just going to draw a long curved line without any jagged edges. Now above and connected to everything that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw the ears along with a long curvy line in between those two ears to help make the hair. We'll draw the ears by using long triangular-like shapes. And keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so that you can catch up. Now on the inside of each ear, we'll draw a curved line to help add a little bit of detail. Next we're going to draw the name tag that goes around Malin's neck. On the inside of the name tag, you would typically see a picture of Malin, just like in the movie, but for today, to make it a little bit more simple, we're just going to draw Malin in writing. And beneath the writing of Malin, we're going to write student. At the end of the video, you'll notice that the lanyard that holds the name tag will be colored in a blue-green color. For the first step of drawing the name tag, we're going to make a square-like shape. Now around that shape that we just drew, we're going to begin to draw an outline. The top outline will appear to have a zigzag shape, with everything else just being straight lines. Now in the bottom portion of the name tag, we're going to write student. In the top portion, we're going to write Maylin. Now beneath the neck and all around the name tag, we're going to make V-like shapes to help represent the hair. You can add in as many or little as these V-like shapes as you would like. Now last but not least, we're going to make two big curved lines to help make the outline of the body. Additionally, we're going to extend the arms so that they go towards the edge of the page. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. I hope you enjoyed today's Turning Red drawing lesson. And don't forget that if you want to see more Turning Red drawing tutorials, then check out our Turning Red drawing tutorial playlist, which I'll show at the end of today's video. And if you'd like me to see your drawing, then share with me on Instagram by using hashtag #LearnHowToDrawHub. Great job today. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.